In today's video, I'm going to be doing a shop tour. We're going to start out with the shop first. So starting out with the shop tour, we've got the bear, and he's always watching over the shop. Nobody's coming in without greeting him. So first thing we're gonna tomorrow we're heading off the Hickory Motor Speedway. We've got the black car sitting here, and after we get done this video, we're going to be loading that up and taking it to the track. And then we've got the red car sitting here too, and then we've got Trent's car sitting here too. And if you look at this side, everything looks good on this end, and then it's just completely destroyed on this side. And then up on the wall, we've got a bunch of different doors from cars that I've ran throughout the years. I think one unique thing about the shop is that we actually keep our motorman in-house, so we'll walk over and we'll say hi to him. This is Trent Jr. Trent Jr. is our motorman. Trent blew up 6 laps into the race, and this is what we made of his motor.
Trying to catch his breath right now.
I've got one more thing I want to show. This is actually the air dug car. I think a lot of people have seen me jump on Tyler's car. I don't think I've ever shown the aftermath of the car before. You can see this clip is out like a whole foot, and this car will never be ran again, obviously. Hopefully everybody enjoyed the shop/trailer tour video, and if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe.